Ready to cash out your hard-earned money from Fiverr? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to withdraw your earnings quickly and securely to your preferred payment method. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Withdrawing your funds is the final, rewarding step of completing a gig. Let me walk you through the simple process. First, ensure your earnings are cleared. Fiverr has a 14-day clearance period for most orders. Once cleared, the funds move from pending to available balance. Click on your profile picture in the top right and select Earnings. Then, click on the Withdraw button. You'll see all your available withdrawal methods, like PayPal, bank transfer, or the Fiverr revenue card. Select your preferred method, enter the amount you wish to withdraw, and confirm. The transfer time varies by method, from instant with the revenue card to a few business days for bank transfers. A crucial pro tip: always check the minimum withdrawal amount for your chosen method to ensure your request is processed. Also, withdrawing on a weekday can help you avoid any potential delays from bank weekends. And just like that, your freelance income is on its way to you. Withdrawing earnings is a simple process that puts your money in your hands. What's your preferred withdrawal method on Fiverr? Let me know in the comments below. For a popular option, subscribe for our next video on how to set up Fiverr PayPal withdrawal. Thanks for watching.